This is what they look like in detail. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am Sylvie, and if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today I am doing the TikTok viral cluster lash application. One of my resolutions for this year is to look presentable. Try to look presentable every day. I feel like when you have lashes, you look good, period. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use two of the 16 on the outer corner of my eyes, and one of the 14 and one of the 12. And what I'm going to use is this Bond and Lock from Amazon as well, and this is the brand. One side is the Bond, and the other side is the Lock once you're done placing them onto your eyelash. So I need that, and then I'm going to use my tweezers. First, I'm going to apply the Bond on the outer part of my eye so that it's ready for the eyelash application. I'm going to pull them up and just sit them on the thing first. Alright. I'm applying the Bond to my lashes. And I'm going to apply them underneath and not over. So that is what we're doing today. So 2 strips or 2 clusters. Get in there. That one is on. Apply the other one too. Second one is on. I usually just take my tweezer and just press them together with my lashes like that once it's placed. So we're gonna do 3 of the long ones and then 2 or 1 of the shorter size. easy that is. Oh. Now this is one TikTok trend I can get used to. So now, so the outer side is done. I'm gonna go for the next size to come into the inner corner of my eyes. And I like to apply bond one at a time, like one area at a time, because I don't want it to dry out and I have to reapply and then get it clumpy and stuff. So I try to do one area at a time. Go in with the lash. Oops. That one always gives me trouble. But it's sitting there. We're good. It's there. Now I feel like that usually does it for me. But I'm going to apply one more in the inner corner, but a smaller size. So this time I'm going to go for a 12. Ooh, do not poke yourself in the eye or put this bond in your eye, because I've done it before. Not a good feeling. I really could just stop here. I feel like I'm doing the most. I don't want it to be too tight. But I already put it on, so let's go. Oh, this one is really tough to do. I got it in place. Ooh. That one is really tough. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use the lock portion. Apply the lock, but like right here at the bottom. Not inside the whole lash, just at the bottom. Seal it. Now, if you apply it all over the eyelashes, the falsies, it's gonna get a bit clumpy and too rigid and not soft. What you want to do is immediately take like a cotton ball put some alcohol in it and just rub it on, or like a Q-tip, and rub it on the eyelashes. It kind of reduces and removes the clumps right away. Don't wait till it's dry to do that. That's how it'll get fixed. The eye without it. The eye with it. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll come back and show you the final look. Okay, y'all, I am done applying it and this is the final look. This one gave me a bit of a hard time. But I think they both came out pretty well, pretty good, very nicely. They're giving, okay? Can't tell me they don't look good. Anyway, so these usually last me about a week or so, and then I bought a remover from Amazon as well. I just don't have it here, so I can share that with you. I applied that on the lashes with a Q-tip or an eyelash brush, and they usually just slide right off. And it's not painful or anything. It's just, yeah, I feel like when you have lashes on, you don't need a full face of makeup every day. So, and this will pretty much do the trick for me. So, I think it looks good. And again, these are from Amazon. I have my Amazon storefront linked in the description box if you guys are interested in trying this. And I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And if you do try it, please comment below and let me know what you think and how they came out. So again, please like, comment, subscribe, join the family. You're already here. You've watched this whole video till the end, so why not subscribe? Yeah, let's do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.